Hey everybody! I'm here with probably the most exciting video I've had in a while. I'm here with the most exciting video that I personally have ever made. I am excited. This has been a long time coming. And in this magical, beautiful box right here, the front has all my information on it, so I don't really want to show it, but in this beautiful box right here is my ultimate dream dress. This dress I've wanted basically since I got into Lolita. In this colorway specifically too. Like, it is the exact dress that I want. And I am so freaking excited to finally have it, because this baby sold secondhand typically for like 600 plus from what I saw online. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. But thank the Lord, the brand did a made to order in this colorway. Much cheaper than I would have spent buying it secondhand. And I'm just so excited. I'll open it up. You guys probably already guessed what it is, but you know, I'm just gonna open it up and it's gonna be great. I ordered this, I think, back in either, what comes before August? July. I think I ordered this back in July and it was supposed to come in August, but the brand was like, oh, we got too many orders, we're gonna have to do this a little bit later. So it's supposed to come in October, which it did not. It came out, I think, near the end of October, or no, near the end of November, like middle of November. And the shopping service I used happened to be on vacation for 3 weeks, so it took a little bit longer too. But it got here like 4 days after my shopping service said. So I'm so excited about that, and I'm just terribly excited about this dress, so I'm gonna unbox it and it's gonna be great, and life is wonderful and I love it. Guys, I'm like freaking out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know it just looks like a pile of black right now, but I cannot believe this beautiful dress is in my possession. You might be able to kind of tell what it is because it's got the zippers here, but let me take the plastic off, which I'll probably leave over it. I am like shaking right now, honestly, because hold on. Oh my god. I'm like shaking right now. I'm just like so excited. I cannot believe my ultimate dream dress, Holy Lantern, in the black colorway, is currently in my hands, and it belongs to me completely firsthand. I didn't have to buy it secondhand. It's got the beautiful velvet print on it. It's got the cute little waist ties with the little crosses at the end of it. It's got the beautiful zipper detailing with little freaking crosses on it. And I just, there have been a couple made to orders of this dress, and the other colorway that I like is red black or wine black, which isn't my favorite. Obviously black is my favorite. But I was really tempted to buy the wine black or the white black. Both of those are really pretty and I like both of them, but it's just the dress is really short, and I was just like, you know, for not the colorway that I want, it's not really worth getting it and having to buy an underskirt and everything. But when I saw that they had black, I freaked. I was so excited, and thank God when I contacted the shipping service, it was a couple days after they had announced it, and this was the only colorway and cut that someone hadn't already ordered from my shopping service, and it was only one of each colorway, each cut per person. So my shopping service was only able to order like one of each one, and thank God I got to them in time, and no one had ordered this yet, and I was able to get it, and I really can't believe. I'm sorry if I sound weird, by the way, I'm starting to get sick, but I really cannot believe that this is mine now. I am so excited. I just, oh my god, I'm so excited. I could cry, I'm so happy. But yes, it's Holy Lantern in the black colorway. You can hopefully see some of the details from the print on here. It has the AP lace on it, still got the tag on it. It's got full shearing on the back, which I was really excited about because that means that this will definitely fit me. But oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't believe it's mine. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna go live in this dress for 20 days now. This is very fun to make. It's been a long time coming. I'm very excited. I'm gonna try to keep up with videos a little bit better now if I can. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna, of course, do outfit shots and close-ups and everything like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!